Hi, my name is Aija and this is my channel. Welcome to my DIY Christmas craft tutorial. Today we are going to transform simple toilet paper tubes into beautiful snowflakes, perfect for your holiday decorations. This craft is easy, fun and great way to recycle. To get started, you will need a few simple materials: empty toilet paper tubes, scissors, paintbrush, hot glue gun, craft glue, glitter, beads or sequins for extra sparkle, and of course some imagination. Toilet paper tubes are a fantastic versatile material for DIY crafts. They are inexpensive, easy to find and can be transformed into creative and functional projects. You can easily turn toilet paper tubes into beautiful snowflakes for Christmas. Simply cut the tubes into rings, glue them together in a snowflake pattern, and decorate with glitter or paint. These can be hung on windows or used as ornaments for your Christmas tree. Toilet paper tubes are perfect for turning everyday waste into charming and useful items. Whether you're crafting with kids or working on a solo project, these simple rolls can inspire creativity. Tell me, do you use toilet paper rolls for your crafts, and what do you make? Leave in a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there are so many great ideas for seasonal crafts. And let me know if you are interested in more projects from toilet paper tubes. Toilet paper rolls tend to come in different colors and sizes, including water-soluble ones, but we don't use those in our craft projects. And here's some tips for working with toilet paper tubes. Cutting. If you need to make more precise cuts, use a craft knife and a ruler. Scissors work for simple cuts, but a craft knife will allow you to slice through the tube cleanly. Glue. Hot glue gun works great for securing toilet paper tubes in most crafts, as it dries quickly and creates a strong bond. For smaller or less permanent projects, regular craft glue or glue sticks will do just fine. And here comes the fun part: adding some sparkle. You can decorate your snowflake with glitter, sequins, or even little beads. Just apply a glue and then sprinkle on your glitter. You can paint your snowflake with a coat of white paint. And don't worry about making it perfect. A little texture will be just fine. Let the paint or glue dry completely before moving on to the next step. How easy was that? A gorgeous, eco-friendly snowflake that brings a little extra holiday cheer to your home. Now that your snowflake is ready, it's time to display it. You can hang it on the tree, use it as a gift topper, or even make a whole snowstorm of them to hang on your window. Whether you are looking to make decorations, practical items, or fun crafts, toilet paper tubes are a great starting point. So guys, thanks for crafting with me today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more festive DIYs. Happy holidays!